Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bincom Hackathon September 2025 with the team Hacking Gen AI 4.0. Build the next big thing with Gen AI in 24 hours or less. It's that time of the year again when we roll up our sleeves, put our heads together, and build real-world solutions for real-life users. This isn't just about code or ideas. It's about innovation, collaboration, and impact. So whether you're a seasoned tech professional or you're just starting out or you're simply just curious about the world of tech, you are in the right place. At Bincom's Dev Center, we believe that everyone has something to contribute, and we are genuinely excited to see what you bring to the table. This is your opportunity to explore, experiment, and create, push boundaries, challenge assumptions, and most importantly, have fun while solving real problems. So without further delay, let's dive into the hackathon proper. Once again, welcome to Bincom Hackathon September 2025 with the team Hacking Gen AI 4.0. Build the next big thing with Gen AI in 24 hours or less. Now, the kickoff event. So the kickoff events will be happening both virtually and physically, and it will be happening physically in locations such as Bracknell in the UK, Tbilisi in Georgia, Kampala in Uganda, Kano in Swaziki in Kano, Nigeria, Oshobo in Osun State, Nigeria, in Ilorin in Kwara State, Nigeria, and also in Lagos in places like Yaba, Ikeja, Ipaja, Okota, Ikota, Ejibo, and Oshodi. Now, what exactly is Bincom Hackathon? So Bincom Hackathon event is a quarterly innovation-focused competition that brings together individuals across multiple career tracks, primarily tech careers with various skill sets to ideate, innovate, and create solutions for real-life users, leveraging on technology. Now, how does it work? The Bincom Hackathon competition is an all-inclusive event taking into consideration various career paths and skill sets, primarily from tech careers focused on building real-life applicable solutions, leveraging on technology. Participants from different fields will be divided into teams of between 2 to 5 members. The job of the team is to create a tech-enabled solution that will be solving at least one problem. Each team will be judged on specific criteria leading to the creation of an MVP, which is a minimum viable product. All interested participants grouped into teams should register their team name on or before September 20th, 12 p.m. West African time, else they forfeit their participation in the competition. Prototype built with relevant code base on GitHub repository should be submitted on or before September 20th, 7 p.m. West African time. After this, no more submission. After submission, evaluation takes place in 3 phases. Firstly, community judges review session, upon which the top 5 innovation gets selected. The top 5 is subjected to public votes or feedback, which would last for the next 3 days from September 23rd to 25th. From the public vote or feedback, top 3 get selected and advance to the final judge review. And after that, the winning team gets announced. Now, what does this involve? All participants are expected to register for the event on bincom.net/hackathon. 2. Participants are expected to join the respective virtual check-in session, but this is not compulsory. Participants are also will be forming teams. Each team will be cross-functional, with each team having at least 2 members. All teams must register their team name and team members before the team registration deadline. Each team must choose from a range of problems addressable with technology. Each team members are to ensure that the solutions provided are in line with the objectives of the hackathon. Each team should note that their solution would be judged based on the judging criteria. The core idea is in the public domain, which means anyone else in the world can run with it. All MVPs need to be submitted strictly at the scheduled time. All teams will be required to build a functional tech-enabled solution. Pitch deck and video demos of the solution must be made, not more than 3 minutes video, please. All codes or prototype must be in the public domain. Link to a working solution must be shared as well. It is important to note that shared initiatives shouldn't have any private vested interest. Now, how to choose a team. First, evaluate your strengths. 2, interact with participants by sharing initiatives. 3, ensure to rename your Zoom name to include your skills. That is James King, developer. 4, connect through the Slack channel with individuals having complementary skills to the project in view. 5, ensure to have the following skills on your team: a product or a project or a business manager, a developer, and also a designer. Now, what should your solution contain? 1, fully functional code base. 2, ease of use features, a practical demo. 3, originality in design. 4, creativity in user access. 5, innovative in usage. 6, simplicity in user access. 7, scalable, which means increased capacity to accommodate more users. 7, presentation clarity, tailored specifically to solve a recognized problem. Lastly, adaptability to generative AI model. Now, the judging criteria. The strength of the idea will be scored 30%, and this includes the originality, creativity, relevance of solution, scalability, and ease of use. 2, working solution prototype with clear presentation will be scored 50%. And this includes the strategy involved and presented, workflows, and clearly articulated work plan. And lastly, teamwork will be scored 20%. Now, the public voting phase. During the public voting stage, top 5 shortlisted entries will be posted on Bincom Dev Center LinkedIn page. And to vote, you need to like the post a comment providing feedback or reviewing the submission. Only comments posted to the entry post will count. And most importantly, only constructive, either positive or negative feedback will count. Please do ensure to follow the Bincom Dev Center LinkedIn page to stay updated. Now, what we expect from you: 1, timely delivery. 2, adherence to the hackathon rules. 3, submissions as at when due. That is a short 2 minutes video explaining your solution. Post public link to the full working solution for people to try out. Public link to your code repository for others to collaborate in the future. 3, slide presentation of products. All artifacts, including slide presentation, video demos, and even code, should be AI supported or generated. Now, Hackathon has just one rule, and this rule is groups under build the next big thing with Gen AI in 24 hours or less. 1, solution must be developed and functional. 2, programming language, including non-code solutions, may be used. 3, solution must be hosted and usable by the community judges. 5, solution must add value to existing. 6, presentation must be clear on the value added. 7, presentation must be clear on prospect. 8, solution must use at least one generative AI tool. Tools like ChatGPT, GPT-40, Gemini, and others in the same category are allowed. Presentation must be clear on how AI tools are used. Slide presentation, video demo, and even code should be AI supported or generated. Solution must be built end-to-end within the 24 hours period allowed. And lastly, existing plugins, models may be used. However, the core concept must be demonstrable. Now, what is in for you? An active competition with real-life project. 2, opportunity for resource network building. 3, a direct path to startup development. 4, serves as a resource means to build your portfolio. 5, an opportunity to learn and improve in-demand tech skills. Opportunity to jumpstart your career. The opportunity to join a growing tech community with over thousands of talents and much more. Now, who should join? Both programmers, designers, tech enthusiasts, creators, tech professionals, entrepreneurs, freelancers, business developers, and everyone interested can join in the hackathon. Now, how can you participate? You can participate as either participant, community judge, or just an observer. If you're participating as a participant, you will have a trailing 24 hours to build new digital solutions based on generative AI solutions with your team. Your team will need people with technical skills. No code counts as well. However, you do not need technical skills to participate in a team. In fact, your team will need people with non-technical skills too. Join force with fellow visionaries, developers, project managers, business analysts, designers, and other tech talent to transform groundbreaking ideas into real-world solutions. If you're joining as a community judge, you have the opportunity to review all submission and provide your feedback and ratings. Your rating will be an input to determine the winners. And lastly, if you're joining as an observer, you have the opportunity to just observe the entire process and probably join during the next hackathon. Now, the activity timeline. Kickoff events will happen on September 19th, and the core purpose is for participatory introduction section and grouping. First virtual check-in section will happen on September 20th by 11 a.m. West African time, and it is focused on ensuring participants have registered their teams. Second virtual check-in session will happen on September 20th by 6 p.m. West African time, and it's focused on team product submission before the deadline by 7 p.m. West African time. Community judges evaluation, which is the selection of top 5 products, will start from 20th September to 22nd September 2025. Public feedback start voting will start on September 23rd to September 25th, 2025. The selected top 5 products will be posted on our LinkedIn. Deadline by September 2025 to shortlist the top 3. Presentation to internal judges by shortlisted team will happen on September 26, 2025, and this is optional. And then the winners get announced on September 26, 2025. Now, the kickoff events. During the kickoff events on September 19th, we will be having a breakout for each teams where they will get to connect with themselves. The next slide reviews the activity to be carried out during the breakout session. 1. Introduction of team members. 2. Understand work process within the team. 3. Understand what needs to be done and ask questions. 4. Quick brainstorm of ideas. Ensure all team members have joined the Slack channel, and for ease in communication, team members can have WhatsApp group to follow up on their progress. And lastly, follow up on the ideation process. Now, Bincom Tech Network, which is the Hackathon primary communication channel. To join the Bincom Tech Network workspace, just use the link bincom.net/Bincom Tech Network. And once you get into the workspace, search for Hackathon/September 2025 to join the channel. Now, the frequently asked questions. 1. Can I submit a project I have already been working on? The answer is all projects must be started and completed during the hackathon. Pre-existing projects or code will not be accepted. However, you are welcome to use your previous experiences and ideas as inspiration for your hackathon project. Question number 2. In the physical kickoff event, would I need to stay there for 24 hours? The answer is no. The hackathon itself is virtual, but we'll be hosting physical kickoff for people to come together and network and also form teams. This event lasts for 2 hours. After teams are formed and registered, they can retire to their respective homes and continue the hackathon remotely. Now, what are the judging criteria? There are 3 judging stages. In the first stage, projects will be judged based on innovation, technical complexity, design, impact, and presentation. The exact criteria will be shared for the selection of the top 5 solutions. In the second stage, the public feedback will be considered. Now, vital links. To register for the hackathon, use the link bincom.net/hackathon. And for team name registration link, the link is bincom.net/bincomhackathon_team registration. And for product submission, use the link bincom.net/bincomhackathon_product submission. To join the Bincom Tech Network on Slack, use the link bincom.net/Bincom Tech Network. And for Zoom room for virtual session, use the link bincom.net/community events_hackathon. Thank you for watching.